Welcome back, fellas, into this new video Tech Express. Today let's get started with the Instagram and the two-factor authentication of the Google. So where we can find emergency password code, the first thing you want to do is to navigate to the main account center. When you open your Instagram account, it will be showing you something like this. You're going to go for the option that says tap the three lines into the top right or the left element if you're using a desktop, as I do, and click for the option that says settings. Here you wanted to focus into this element that says here account center. So when you click into see more into account settings, you have under the account settings, go to the passcode and security, and then hit for the option that says two-factor authentication. So you wanted to select your Instagram account from the list. If you have more than one, then just select the one you want to be focusing on today. Then here it says help protect your account. You wanted to set up two-factor authentication, and will be sending you a notification to check its phone when logs in for a device we did not recognize. In this case, we wanted to use the Google Authenticator, which in this case we want to be choosing the one that says authentication application. Head over for the option that says continue, and here we have now the new instructions for the actual setup. Now this key will be copied directly inside here. Let's go into our phone. Go for the Play Store and download the Google Authentication. When you open Google Authentication, it says welcome, let's add an authentication code. You can scan a QR code as it appears directly inside here, or you can manually enter an actual setup key. So here into the code name, you type the word, for example, Instagram 2FA. My key should be all of these actual codes, and hit for the option that says next. Then what's going to happen is that the application is not going to be working right away. It will be giving you a 6-digit code that will be disappearing from usually from 10 to 15 seconds. So you might want to be quick to copy these codes and paste them directly inside here. When you hit for next, the handshake, for example, you head back directly inside the Instagram, you paste the code and hit for the next. You will see a confirmation that two-factor authentication is now been active, and you are now officially protected. Now, you don't want to skip this, because if you lose your phone, you lose your codes. So you make sure that when you go for additional methods, you go for backup codes. This will be giving you a list of a few codes that you will be needing to back up and written down into a notebook, whatever, not into digital elements, because you wanted to save this in somewhere else like a cloud drive, physical notebook. These are your break glass in case of emergency login keys, for example. So if your Instagram account is not bald, the code no entry, you're good to go. If you're managing multiple accounts and you wanted to see how to add them all into one authentication, you can let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and hopefully we can all see you well next time.